Hi there. What's your name?
Hello, I'm Black Dog. And you?
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. Are you new around here?
Yes, I just moved to this neighborhood. What about you?
I've lived here all my life. Do you like it here so far?
Yes, it's nice. Lots of trees and spaces to play.
That's true. It's also quiet, which I like.
Do you have any favorite places here?
Yes. There's a big oak tree near the park. I like to climb it.
Sounds fun. Maybe I'll check it out later.
Sure thing. Oh, I see my human calling. I have to go now.
Alright, dog. See you later.
Bye, cat. Have a great day.
You too, Black Dog. Take care.